Hello traders, good day to you. This is a new pair I am analyzing today and I found some potential in this pair. I would like to mention something that this week I have analyzed so far GBP, NSD, AUD, CHF, especially Euro, USD, GBP, USD. These two pairs I have analyzed and found that they are getting some momentum against US dollar. So out of curiosity, I would like to check what happening in USCAD. In USCAD, if you see, this is a monthly time frame right now you are seeing. So this is basically ranging for a long time. If we keep it in mind that it is ranging from 2015 to till date, and the range is on the top is 1.4650 and the bottom we can see here is 1.1951. So if we consider these two range in month, so we can have a half of this range will be like this, and half of the half will be like this here, and half of the half in the bottom side you can see if we put it like this is something like something here. So we are seeing a pair where it is ranging and the depth in month is very wide, even it is ranging. If we measure the depth here, the depth is around 2800 pips. Now if we focus on the current price, this is the current month, November. Candlestick just started. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 9 10 11 12 13 14. These 14 months we can have this range. Can you see, guys? It means when this double top has happened, this double top has happened. If we mark the double top here on month, I'll do the details analysis from month to 4 hours, so please bear with me. There is no rush here. We can say this is the double top, and from here this double top, if we measure this is one and this is the second. It has created, this one has created this bottom. Can you see, guys? This is the bottom we can see. In month, this is the double bottom. So let's mark the double bottom. This is the double bottom we have now. And this, if we mark this bottom, and it concerns one. So now we can visualize a little bit better. So this double top was responsible for this bottom, and this bottom has created this top again. But here, if you can see, it has created a double bottom, but we cannot confirm it yet. The reason is this: until this monthly candle, this one, this guy is finished in November, and it is on the today is 4th of November, so we cannot confirm this double bottom yet. So there is nothing we can say right now that we have a double I beg your pardon, double top here until this monthly time frame is finished. On 30th November, if it remains red, then we can say yes, it is a double top in month. So narrowing down a little now, we don't see anything here in month, but this is within the range. However, if we make this candle, then we can see this is a double bottom has been created here, and this double bottom, this has created this top so far, this top so far. So that's it for us in month range. So we would like to narrow down our monthly time frame to here and to here, here the line, no, I beg your pardon, so we cannot narrow down this one as there is no double top. So this double bottom in the month has created this. So we don't know whether it will be a double top or it will move upward. So let's get into weekly time frame. So if we can see if we have a here anything, as the first week of the month is finished, so maybe we can get something here. So there is too many things. Let me remove some of them. We don't need this thing. We don't want this to be displayed in weekly at the moment. Okay, and this one also we don't require, because this is too much things makes the chart crowded and we lost in translation. So this one is the actual monthly range. Still we don't need this, leave it here. And this one we don't need it, but let's leave it. This was the half of the big range. This is half of the big range, this one. So we leave it here because it has some great implication. If you can see here, you can see the concentration of the candle bar is the highest in the half in respect to any other places. This, so let's leave it here. So in week, do we have a double top? Because this is the first week of November has closed. So can we see? Can we have a double top here? Yes, we have. We have a green, then red, a green and red, and it is here. So let's make the double top in week. So we have an official double top in weeks. Let's change the legend so we can identify it very easily. And this is weekly double top. So now the range has become from here to here. In month it was from here to here, but now in week it will be here to here only. So let's go to week, considering, and we can see it is still ranging in week 2. If you can see from September 22 to right now, it is ranging within this boundary. So there is, if we mark the whole thing, let's mark the whole thing a little bit here. So let's take it into consideration, so we can have a better thing to do. If we just take it into consideration, so this is the range, highest range we can see, and considering the month from here, this is the range we can have. Now if we measure this, put it inside a block. Let's put it inside a block. So this is the whole range we are talking about. So market is ranging for so many weeks. Let's change the color of it a little bit different. So this is the range market is going for a long time. Now, as this double top has formed, what will happen? Will it be able to break it down, break out of it, or it will come down? We don't know. We still don't know. So, if it breaks out, what will happen? In week we are trying to measure. Then it will move off to this, and if it breaks downward, the market will move from here to here. So I suggest that considering month, there is no double top. Okay, so I suggest that we should wait to break out to be on the safe side. However, if we go to day now, let's see if we have anything there. In day, you can see this is day. It has also formed a double top. So if we go there, so we have a weekly double top, we have a daily double top at the same time, right? And it has shifted from after the last week, it has shifted now a little bit up to this kind of yes. If we have a weekly double top and we have a daily double top at the same time. And once you have two double top in two different time frame, I mean not two double top, if double top formed in two different time frame, this zone become weak. Please keep that in mind. So in day we don't have anything, no bottom, no double bottom, nothing. So we don't know how long it will go. So if we go to 4 hours, we see price have went up and still coming down. So we can see that there is a zone where price may stop and see some reaction, show some reaction here in this black zone, undefined, irrespective of the time frame. In 4 hours, if we see, it can react here, and there is also another zone maybe we will consider this one or this one. So this is another zone from where if we go to day, and yes, we have a very good place to the price may come here and then it will react. This is in hourly time frame, so we can put it in perspective like this way, and it is in day time frame. Make it blue. So these are the two places currently that the price has the very good chance to come down. So coming back to week, if we see this range currently, and if we measure half here, if we measure half of this range, we can have a 50% here. The 50% of the week. I beg your pardon, maybe I am not doing it correctly. The 50% we have should be from here to here. And this is the place where it should be at. So now we have to see if it breaks off from upward from here, then we may have chance that we will see some upside and it will come here. And if not, if it breaks down from this zone, then we will expect that it will come somewhere here, half of it. So there is nothing we can do at the moment. However, if traders as analyzed, I have analyzed it, we have a bearish engulf candle here. And a bearish engulf candle gives us the signal that we can go for sell. So if we go to day now, we have a sell actually started from here, from this place. The sell has started. So I'm sorry that I have not analyzed this before. Otherwise, it could have been a very good trade, higher probability trade, because this made the double top. It went up, tested, and tested here, and it break down. It is called, we call it the WBP, weight break box. Here, it did here, and it came here. Now what will happen here? We can see that in day time frame, it has broken this support. This support has been broken. This support has been broken very clearly, undoubtedly. So this is another zone it has broke down. So now there is two options I can see now. One, it may go up, retest, and it will go here, retest, and it will try to break out. And if it breaks out, it will naturally go this zone. And here, let us visualize these things in other time frame, otherwise we will not be able to see things clearly. So here, it will go to this zone, and maybe here it will go. But as you know that there is a big hurdle here. So keep that in mind. If price comes up to here, I should have drawn it more properly. I beg your pardon for that. So it may start it from here, go up, retest, go up, retest, go maybe a little bit up, retest within this limit, then it will go up to this. However, there are a lot of zones here. If we go to this area, a lot of things will be activated before it reaches to this place. So I should not let's leave it here for the time. But it will work like this. Now second thing is this: if not here, so far as it is a momentum candlestick and there is no sign of weakness, we can see very clearly. If you mark we can see that this candlestick doesn't have any shadow at all. So it has every chance to come down. The probability of coming down is much more higher than going higher. So we will wait, and we have to see that if here it comes here, retest here, then it breaks off, come here, retest, and then breaks off. And if it does, it will face this zone. Here will be the zone, and it's a very big zone for the time frame, so be aware. And currently the market is not behaving with much rationality, so it is my opinion to approach to the market more cautiously. So if this test is finished, if you go for sale, please put a stop loss. If this retest is finished, if you go for buy, please put a stop loss somewhere. Without a stop loss, I don't think it will be wise, because US dollar is not suddenly something happened that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 5 days it is getting so weak that all the currency will have a higher chance of it. However, if you take the sell, you must take the cautions of stop loss as well as the buy. And here, if it breaks off this zone, maybe it will test this one or not, I don't know. But it is very important that we should wait for the retest. But if it fails, then there is nothing to stop. It will come exactly somewhere here, because this zone will get activated and resist. There is a very good level of resistance in day time frame here. It's a very big zone. I should not do this, but I am showing you like this, a very big zone, because price has been rejected, and again it has been rejected here also and went up. So this zone will be tough in one way or the other. So watch for this zone if price comes down. Now, if for any reason price breaks off this 50% and then come down, this door will open. This door will open. So I am not expecting that next week we will go so far, and the best we can have is that either we will have a thing up to this 100 pips, not more than that. And on the top side, if it goes up, then it will, we have a better chances of 150 pips. Now, because if you go to month, you know that it is a ranging channel. Here to here, and then it should move up to here. So it has to break this line first this week. Weekly range needs to be broken. This double top in the week needs to be broken. So I prefer to take the trade now, a sell trade, and let's it will come here again, and maybe we'll grab some liquidity from either here or here, because we have been left with a very big fair value gap. On the contrary, before coming to this zone here, it requires higher liquidity. So maybe the price will go up to this area or this area, acquiring all this weekly and daily time frame double top, and then it will come down. So it's not a sure shot, but so please use a stop loss, so things will remain within your control. and 4 hours will give us a better clarity because I am in favor of sell. The reason is this big candlestick in 4 hours. The price went up there, the seller took control and they bring it down in their control. And this line, if not broken, if this line is not broken in next one candle, there we must wait for the green candle here. If the green candle does not break this line, it will come down to this. So initially it will come here and maybe we'll see some reaction of price going upward, and then it will come here. Thank you very much for listening, and please do subscribe, share, like, click the bell button so you can be notified whenever I put a new video. One more thing is disclaimer: we bear no responsibility on the trade if you take based on this analysis. All the profit and losses belongs to you. Thank you. Have a nice day, and please comment and share your thoughts so we can learn from you too. Take care. Bye bye.